Aloha! Welcome to KTA's Cooking on Recipes. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and today we're going to make Irish cheddar and sauerkraut scones. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Line a large baking sheet with tin foil or parchment paper and spray with non-stick cooking spray. In a large mixing bowl, add 2.5 cups of Bisquick, baking powder, pepper, and whisk together. Add the cold grated butter and use fingers or fork to cut into the dry ingredients until you have small pea-sized crumbs. In a separate mixing bowl, add the heavy cream, egg, and whisk together. Add egg mixture to the dried ingredients, then add sauerkraut, Irish cheddar, and green onions. Mix until just combined. Use 1 tablespoon of Bisquick to lightly flour the work surface. Scoop the mixture out and work it together into a 10-inch flattened circle. Cut the dough like a pie into 8 equal-sized pieces and place them into a prepared baking sheet, making sure to leave a little room between each one. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until the tops of the scones are lightly browned and cooked through. Remove from the oven and allow to cool completely. Enjoy the savory scones alone or with your favorite jam or jelly for your St. Patrick's Day celebration. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.